Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we enable our silent mode in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to enable your silent mode in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you enable it? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to enable silent mode in our Realme phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, we will turn on our phone setting to enable silent mode. And guys, how can you use, I will show you. And guys, scroll it friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. So friends, you can use guys your sound and vibration setting from here. Notification ringtone guys, you can ringtone setting you can use from here. So friends, you can see there is no any silent mode setting. So friends, how can you enable it? So friends, scroll it and guys, you can see your sound mode setting. Friends, tap here. So friends, you can see your silent mode is here. So friends, you want to enable it. So friends, you can enable from here. So I tap here on silent mode. So the silent mode will enable in your Realme phone guys. And guys, you can see the silent mode icon on your screen. So like that guys, you can enable your silent mode in your Realme phone. So that's that guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.